Howdy peeps, I'm Professor Curtis of Aspire Mountain Academy here with your project update video for June 1st, 2020. This is a habit that I want to get into. I was doing some thinking over the break after the semester ended, and now I'm ready to get back in the saddle. But the question was, what am I going to be doing with Aspire Mountain Academy? What direction do I want to go in? And one of the things that I really want to do is get these stat videos made. I've been doing the homework help videos, which many of you are already aware, and you can see tons of them there on the YouTube channel there for Aspire Mountain Academy. But I want to get actual lecture videos made that explain the whys and the wherefores and all of that out. I actually was doing a little bit of research last week, trying some new methods out to see if I could find a way to get the videos out faster. And I think I found a way that's going to reduce the production time quite a bit. So I'm going to be working on getting these videos out. I'm already partway through chapter 3. And so I'm going to post a goal for myself to be done with chapter 4 and get that all done and squared away. And I get that done by the end of the week. The other goal I want to set for myself is related to the reason why I'm making this video to begin with. I want to be more transparent and also want to be more accountable to you, my clients and customers, because you guys are the ones who are feeling the pain, and I'm doing what I'm doing to help alleviate your pain. So, it just makes sense that, I just think I need to be more accountable. And so I'm going to be making these videos every week, telling you what my goals are for the week, what I'm planning to do with Aspire Mountain Academy, and the progress that I'm making on each of these goals. I got to tell you, being back in school again, well, it's kind of a rough go, but we're going to do what we can to put what time we have into making Aspire Mountain Academy the best that it could be. And if you have any comments or suggestions for what more we could do to help out, feel free to leave a comment below. And, I'm going to try to, again, with being accountable and transparent, I'm going to try to be more, what's the word? I'm going to be more responsive. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm going to be more responsive to the comments that you make down in the videos. I've been having, issues juggling with that, but I'm going to get over that this summer. So, looking forward to hearing your comments below. And I will see you in the next video.